Today, I'm breaking down the new gun laws in Oregon for 2026, what's changed, what's coming, and what gun owners must know going forward. First major update. Oregon passed the Community Safety Firearms Act, Senate Bill 243, in 2025. This law bans rapid-fire devices like bump stocks and similar activators, meaning devices that increase a semi-auto's rate of fire are now illegal to own, transport, or manufacture. Processing one is a misdemeanor and moving or making one is a felony. Second, the law gives local governments new authority to decide where people with concealed handgun licenses can carry. Cities and counties can now ban concealed carry in certain public buildings if they put up clear signs at the entrance. Third, big change coming March 15th, 2026. Oregon is moving forward with Measure 114, a gun safety measure voters approved in 2022 but had been delayed in court. Under this law, people will be required to get a permit to purchase firearms, complete a background check and safety course, and high-capacity magazines will be banned from sale, transfer, and possibly possession. These changes mean Oregon is tightening both what accessories you can have and how you legally obtain and carry firearms. Rapid-fire devices are already targeted, and by 2026, the permit and magazine limits will reshape the gun purchase process in the state. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.